Let's see how to write multiplication in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, for example, we want to write in a multiplication sign, which can be indicated by using an asterisk, a dot, or an X sign. And what that will look like normally in Microsoft Word is that, for example, when we write 1 times 1 using the asterisk sign, you'll notice that it is aligned at the top of the number. When we do it using the X, you'll see that it is at the bottom. And when we use a dot, you'll see that it is also at the bottom. Now, let's go ahead and make some changes. Let's go into the File tab, click on Options. Now click on Proofing and click on Autocorrect options right here. And go to Math Autocorrect and make sure that you have this checkbox checked. Use Math Autocorrect rules outside of math regions. Now click OK twice. Now, when we type in our asterisk, we don't want to type in the asterisk using our keyboard. We want to type it in using this key code, \, space, and 1. And you'll see that it has turned into a multiplication sign and is centered in between the two numbers. For the X sign, we don't want to type in X. We want to type in \, times, and you'll see that it's also now centered in between the two numbers. And for the dot, what we can do is type in \, C dot, and 1. And that is how you write multiplication in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.